Oops, that went way too easy. I missed it. Oh well, not afraid of mounting blocks or people mounting. He's got the peacock walk.
He doesn't have any mane to talk around yet.
He'll fix that in no time.
Yeah, the mane will grow. I couldn't believe how
He's pretending to be a fjord right now.
It's like I got a whole tree.
Look at him go. He's cute. Just struts right along.
There you go.
Aww.
How cute is he?
He's adorable.
How does his flashy movement look with his feet?
He does have some flippage action. he's quite agile with those big hunkin' hoofs he has.
He must have rode him quite a bit.
Aww, what a cutie.
My saddle wants to like cut his neck. Is he back? Oh yeah. Good boy, Doug. Give the turbo back. No kitty, look at that. Wow.
Aww.
He's a good boy. Does he respond to leg aids at all? No. Amish horse, Amish horse. He knows what a kiss is, though. There you go. I feel like when I was riding him, though, he did move away from them a little better than not.
He says, what?
There you go.
All right. Wow.
Being a canter, that's cool.
Good job.
So fast.
Look how cute he is.
Good boy. Well, he's very obedient.
Aww. He looks part Hackney with those crazy hoofs right now.
Shirt and those toes.
Good boy.
They like though. Sometimes they don't know what it means when I'm on them, and if I can tap them on the butt like they were
Right.
behind them, it works better. And plus it matches my saddle pad.
Of course. It's all about the look.
That's a good boy.
But your shirt doesn't match.
I know, I have a purple one at home. And pink. Whoa. Whoa.
He has a good whoa for as much go as he has. He has a great whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. What? I don't have any mane to hold on to either.
Good job.
Good boy.
Here he goes.
Good boy.
All right.
Good boy.
He's another puck. He could go all day. Knee action. And they're off. We have an endurance halflinger here. That person that's looking for an endurance horse has a good choice.
How they're getting Josh. Are you graining these halflingers at all, Tim? Am I what? Graining them? Just a little. Don't. Very nice.
All right.
When you get to the end of the fence,
There he is through the trees, way back there.
put your toe back. Careful you don't get run over.
I know.
Okay, here comes Jenna and Duncan and Trail.
That's Kelly. Duncan. Duncan's another puck, it looks like.
Yeah, we can play in the water. I was playing in the water and he tried to walk over the stick.
Aw, what a good boy. Through the water. In the water.
He goes to the water. Yeah, he likes the water. He likes the water.
He is like Andonian.
There's just really nowhere to go. More water. Go in there. No, this is how we have to do it. We have to go next to it. There we go.
There, good boy.
We had to do. I like how he takes the directions from me. Yeah, he's very, on the trail he's really good. Yeah, he likes water a lot. Kelly's making her own trail.
That's how the Amish do it.
Well, I'd say Duncan was a trail horse.
Jeez. Yeah, blazing her own trail.
Oh no, I don't want to go.
He does.
Very willing horse.
What a good boy.
Good boy.
Very nice.
He's fun.
I'm impressed. Look at that.
He goes wherever you point him. Look at that bank. Like, am I supposed to jump up that? Yeah, we're blazing. Blazing a trail. Good boy, Duncan.
Aw,
Blazing at a good pace.
I like him.
I do too. He has no
watches where
problem
he's
going by
going.
himself.
Oh, he hasn't tripped over anything. Yeah. We're gonna come up right here.
Huh? Right over me? Right.
Good
Very
boy.
nice.
Here we go. We do bank jumps.
Bank jump.